And we're ready to go here. Underway. Mehmet Kizzi in the red and black, Welker in the blue. Mehmet Kizzi, a two-time world medalist, winning silver in 2023, bronze in 21. Welker coming back from world bronze last year at 72 kilograms, now up at 76. These two wrestled at the U23 World Championships back in 2021. Mehmet Kizzi was the winner there by a score of 8-0. Welker only 17, 18 at the time. Welker was only 17 at those U20.
Саймадан үй интернети менен телевидение. Интернет секундасына 300 жана 500 мегабитке чейин. Ылдамдыгы тим эле кайф. 220дан ашык телеканал. Ар кандай табит үчүн. 5 онлайн кинотеатр. Тасмалар, сериалдар жана мультфильмдер акысыз. Кубаттуу гигабиттик Wi-Fi роутер акысыз. Баасы айына 1080 сомдон баштап. Tez arada bildirmenizi kaldırınız.
3 World Championships where she ended up taking bronze. Mehmet Kizzi, 5 years the elder. Mehmet Kizzi currently 26 years old. Kylie Welker 21. Welker pulling on that head. Welker does a really nice job going from hand fight, head pressure down to low-level attacks. And there you see, gets to that ankle, looking to finish. Gonna keep her head inside here. Find the angle, Mehmet Kizzi locked through the crotch. Welker circling, looking to isolate that and shelf it, and she does. Gets behind, great job there from Kylie Welker. Battling through the defense from Mehmet Kizzi, kept her head inside, kept head position, and finished 4-2. Welker strikes first, up 2-0 here. Minute 15 to go in the first period. Welker looking for world gold after finishing in bronze last year in Albania, up at 76 kilograms after wrestling 72 last year. She's been back and forth from those two weight classes over the last 5 years or so. Haven't seen offense yet from Mehmet Kizzi. Welker really lethal with her go-behinds. So Mehmet Kizzi not going to take any errant shots. But she is going to have to find some offense here as Welker holds the 2-0 lead. Welker controlling the center of the mat. And we're gonna go to the break here with Welker in the lead, 2-0. Ready for our second period here. Three minutes to go in this quarterfinal match. Kylie Welker holding a 2-0 lead. Welker pulling on that head. We saw her use the hand fight, set up that low-level attack in the first period. Welker needs to be careful not to just sit on the lead and play defense. Welker is doing a good job in the hand fight, controlling where the action takes place here. Nice head pressure there, snap, and runs her feet, and runs her right into the Rudis sign. And there's another point for Kylie Welker, giving her a 3-0 lead and a little bit of breathing room here, as now Medic Kizzy needs either a 4-pointer or a takedown and a step out. Needs more than one score to take the lead here. Under 2 minutes to go. Quarterfinal match. Haven't seen any shots from Medic Kizzy up to this point as she's working the underhook, but a little slide by attempt for Welker clears that tie. 90 seconds left in this match. Kylie Welker holding the 3-0 lead. And we have not seen Medic Kizzy threaten. Medic Kizzy digs underhook, right side, and they go out of bounds. 1 point offered. And they're gonna have a conference here. Be an interesting call. It's either gonna be a 1 from Medic Kizzy. Will put her in the lead on criteria. Kylie Welker leading 3-2. Under a minute to go now. Hand fight picking up here as Medic Kizzy looking to get back to that underhook, and she does. Welker looking to clear out, goes overhooks, cinches down. Medic Kizzy looking for double unders. Welker looking to clear out and goes to overhook, defends with the whizzer, and it's 24 seconds now. Welker in the lead, 3-2. Medic Kizzy needs a step out, needs 1 point. Welker needs to defend for 24 seconds. Underhook on the right side from Medic Kizzy. She's driving her feet. Big whizzer kick there from Welker, but Medic Kizzy gets the takedown and the turn. 6-3 now. Welker needs some points. 9 seconds to go. Welker needs a takedown and turn. Gets to the leg. Medic Kizzy defends and gonna get the go behind. And Medic Kizzy coming out on top. Kylie Welker led most of that match. Medic Kizzy with the takedown. And she is moving on to the semifinals here. Perry Medic Kizzy moves on.